Only thing is we lost all our formatting. We actually, even though we deleted the screen, that wasn't going to save us. We have to do the formatting in here. And it's not that hard. We just set property. And because all of these things on the design tab, all of these things for a screen element, if we just have a label on here, all of these things are properties, and we can change them with the set property command. So we could change the width, the height, the X position, the Y position. So everything's in position, but we need to set property. We need to change the font size, and it has to be in quotes. So font size, no. I'm wrong. Set property, we have to first say the thing we want to set the property of, and we want to set the property of the name label. And then what property do we want to change? We want to change let's change the text color. So let's make that white. And then we can just Command C to copy this. Command V, we want to change the font size to 18. And 18 is just, I believe, a number, so we don't need quotes. And then Command V, we want to change, the last thing we want to change is the font family. Font-family, and we want to change that. We got to spell family correctly, and we want to change that to Georgia. And let's just test it to see if that works. So let's run it, hit the go button, and yes, we now have our nicely formatted labels. We're getting an error here. There is no property named font size. Yes, it's not font underscore size, it's font dash size. So let's run go. Yeah, and that looks even better. So we now just have to change for the birthday label. So we set the property. Let's just copy these three set properties and paste them down here and just change from name label each time. Let's just change this to BIRTHDAY. And then I hit, so my cursor's right here. And if I just hit Shift and then the back arrow, then I can highlight it all and then Command C, and then I can just hit Shift and the right arrow and Command V and paste over that name. So Shift left arrow to highlight it and Command V and I paste over it. And does that do it? I think that does it. So let's just reset, run, go, and now everything is formatted nicely. So saves us a lot of work. We don't actually have to build up this birthday screen. We're just letting the code create it for us. And this works if we add more Krubies, this is going to work automatically. So let's add our Krubie Nathan. So we do a comma and Command V, and let's add Nathan, whose birthday is April 1st. And whose favorite color is also red, and whose favorite food is, of course, chocolate chip cookies. So I just added, look what we did. We just added one Krubie to the Krubies array. And when we run it and hit go, our code handles it automatically. So I know that this for loop is complicated and all this set property is complicated, but the beautiful part of it is, and this is the computer science part of it is, it does the repetition for us. And as our information changes, as we add an additional Krubie, the code automatically keeps up. And let's just do it one more time for fun. Let's add Omar to the crew, Command V. And his birthday is April 19th. And his favorite color is also blue. And his favorite food is popcorn. And so just by adding this Krubie, we've increased Krubie's dot length. We've increased the length of the array. And our for loop inside our event handler handles the new Krubie for us. So we hit reset and we hit run and we hit go. And this for loop doesn't care whether there's 3 Krubies or 300 Krubies or 300 million Krubies. It can go through that for loop and create labels and print them out for us. So there you go. So all you have to do now is add the rest of your Krubies to the Krubie array, and you have a complete Crew birthday app. Let's just top it off with, on the birthday screen, let's just add a label that tells us that it is my crew. So let's just say the crew underscore label, and let's say the text is my crew, and let's just make this nice and wide and center it at X position 10, and let's make the height 25, and let's make the font a nice, say, Verdana font for a big label, and the font size, we're not making it that big. Let's just make sure so it fits so we don't mess anything up. And then the alignment is centered. And finally, the text color is white, so that's pound, and then 6 Fs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we run it, and we have our Crew Birthday app. All right, thanks for sticking with us. Good luck.